Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following is not accurate as concerns the retailers of unmanned aerial view drones and are the buyers of far off unmanned aerial view drones? The correct answer of the question is, which of the following is not accurate as concerns the retailers of unmanned aerial view drones and or the buyers of unmanned aerial view drones? So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.